Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And for this you will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right here. It comes provided with the device, but if you can't find it, you can use a paperclip just as well, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get one of those, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. And once you take it out, you will have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. So I'm gonna occupy one of each. And there we go. And now let's just insert it back into the device. And there's the pin for the SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.